So I just got work, and this was one of the spots I like enjoy to come and they have great Rubens. Here's the location, the name of it, New York Pickle Deli. There's my bike, as you can see. Yeah, lunch. Been busy, so time to. I don't know what I'm in the mood for. Lunch or breakfast? Listen, I love breakfast. I don't know why. Steak and eggs? Why not, man? Right? 6-ounce ribeye steak with 3 eggs and any style, served with home fries and toast. Meat lover omelet. I'm a big boy, man. I love, man. Monte Cristo breakfast sandwich. Pastrami Benedict. Peanut butter jelly. French toast. New NYPD breakfast sandwich. Let's roll. I don't know. All right, let's see what I'm gonna have. I don't know. Normally I'll take something home, but I have my bike, so I don't want to go. Reuben corned beef pastrami. Listen, I love. Man, I gotta go with the pastrami, man, or the corned beef, or both, right? Is that both? Reuben's corned beef pastrami. Hey, corned beef and pastrami. You know what? That's why I'm gonna go for the NYPD menu. Interesting. Let's roll. Let's see what they have here. Fish and chip sandwich. Ooh. Tuna salad melt. All right, wait a minute. Brooklyn Cuban. What is that? Our house pulled pork and honey ham, brown mustard, Swiss cheese, and a sliced dill pickle on a grilled sub roll. You see that? I don't know. I'm thinking stay with the Reuben. Let's roll with that.